When it comes to waste management, there's only one name you need to remember: Mark I. With a legacy of excellence and a reputation for reliability, Mark I emerges as the undisputed leader in dumpster rental in Lowell, Massachusetts. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or overseeing a commercial project, Mark I is here to meet your waste disposal needs with unmatched precision and efficiency. At Mark I, we understand the urgency of waste disposal needs. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our dumpsters are built to handle even the most challenging jobs, ensuring your waste is disposed of promptly and responsibly. With our dedication to customer satisfaction and years of experience in the industry, Mark I is your trusted partner for all your waste management needs. With a team of experienced professionals and a fleet of top-of-the-line dumpsters, we're here to tackle any waste management challenge with precision and efficiency. Ready to experience hassle-free waste management in Lowell, Massachusetts? Contact Mark I today at 978-441-0010 or visit our website at www.mark1inc.com to book your dumpster rental and discover why we're the #1 choice for waste management solutions in Lowell, Massachusetts.